Next, we have the profile. Clicking this will allow us to enter our profile information. As you can see, we have our username here, followed by a first and last name, the device in which we're using the Health Well Safe Care app, and then our other information like phone number, email, work phone number, a relative or representative's phone number, your birth date, gender, and your preferred language. To enter or change any of these settings, simply click the pencil icon, which will then let you fill these out more completely, which we suggest that you please fill them out to the best of your ability. If you would like to change or update your profile, simply click this icon here and it will let you upload a file or change your profile photograph. So let's go ahead and click that and see what that does. So here you'll have the option to either take a photo or choose from the library or remove. If you would choose remove, you probably would want to switch it for a different one. So if you wanted to switch your profile photo to a different one, you would click remove, then click this button again, and then click either take photo or choose from library. Once you've chosen the photo that you want to be your profile photo, you would simply click that, click accept, and you will now see that profile photograph here. Pretty cool. Once you are done, make sure to click update profile. I will click cancel since I didn't update anything. Wonderful. And click back to go back to the dashboard.